Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a brand new Facebook page, in which you can post your videos and reels, which give you more reach than your Facebook profile. So let's directly move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile. Then click on this 3-line menu bar. After that, scroll down a little bit and select Pages, which may be in different positions on your device, so find it and select it. After this, just click on Create in the top left side corner, and then click on Get Started. Now, enter the page name that you would like to set. After putting your Facebook page name, simply click on the Next button, and then select up to 3 categories related to your page. Whether you are a singer, dancer, artist, or digital creator, just search for your category and tap on it to set it. I am a YouTuber, so I am selecting only one, digital creator, and then simply click on Create. Now, on this page, you have to select one option. If you want to promote your products or services, simply means if you are running a business, then select the first option, and if you are a creator and want to connect with your fans, then select the second option. After that, click on Continue. Now, here in the page customization section, select the page picture by clicking on this camera icon. After that, click on the Next button, and again click on Next, and then lastly click on Done. Alright, friends, all steps have been completed, and the Facebook page has been created successfully. Now you can click on this menu bar to take a tour of your page. So click on Start Tour, then click on Next, and Next again. Lastly, click on Done. Here, click on it to move inside your page. This is how a Facebook page looks. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.